Render might retreat 1.4% by June 20, based on 30 rates. Let's begin with a brief look at today's price direction. Today, Render is down by 0.4% and trades close to the $1.68 mark. Let's turn to what the analysts are saying. According to 30 rates, we could be heading toward $1.656 tomorrow, a move that reflects a 1.4% decline. CoinDataFlow believes Render could move downward toward $1.66, a potential drop near 1.2%. Digital coin price highlights a scenario where it could move down to $1.663, a decrease estimated at 1%. A separate forecast released by Coin Price Forecast Project's Render may climb toward $1.69, about 0.6% up. Finally, Crypto Predictions suggest the price could rise to $1.714 by June 20, which is 2% above the current price. This is the most profitable forecast we analyzed. That covers all 5 projections. Let's keep exploring. All forecasts considered, here's the overall summary. According to the full set of predictions provided, the expected movement is somewhere between a decrease of 1.4% and a rise of 2%, depending on the analyst. Put simply, Crypto Predictions projects the highest return with 2% gain in value by June 20. Considering all forecasts, you could realize between $6 and $20 for every $1,000 you invest. According to volatility analysis, Coin Price Forecast's forecast has a 98.5% likelihood of being right. After reviewing all forecasts, I've created one combined consensus picture. From all forecasts combined, Render remains close to $1.677. Now, let's dive into it. Based on the consensus view, the price is expected to decrease by 0.2% by tomorrow. Stated plainly, your capital might rise by around 0.2% in accordance with that projection. If you applied $1,000 here, it could show around $2 in return. The likelihood of the consensus projection materializing stands close to 98.8%. To sum up this section, let's see what analysts predict for the 3-day horizon. A decline is anticipated by 30 rates with bearish pressure in play. Additionally, CoinDataFlow expects downward momentum to persist. Meanwhile, digital coin price expects the chart to tilt downward. Render is projected to gain further, Coin Price Forecast also suggests. Additionally, Crypto Predictions forecasts the price pushing higher. Consensus projections show Render leaning toward lower levels in the near term. Altogether, 60% of analysts share a bearish short-term stance on Render. 5 forecasts were shared 2 days ago. Yesterday provided the results to evaluate. As a result, yesterday ended with the market at $1.678. Yesterday showed that most analysts were right about the direction. If accuracy is the measure, then CoinDataFlow came out on top. Now let's sort it out clearly. 4 forecasts matched yesterday's range. Speaking of ROI, some predictions turned profitable, but Crypto Predictions topped the list. And now on screen is the full fact-check summary. A quick look at how the forecasts actually performed. In the data, CoinDataFlow shows 98.5% forecast probability and 0.7% ROI. Take a guess. Who do you think gave the most accurate forecast? Now we're turning to the comparison of tomorrow's expected gains for Render and other selected cryptocurrencies. Render doesn't lead in this forecast as Cardano stands highest with 1.4%. This comparison covers a small sample of 5 coins, and more forecasts plus extra features are live on my website. If you appreciate deeper breakdowns like this, subscribe so you're here for the next one. See you around!